Welcome to day 101. It's John McLaughlin, and just before we start today, I'm doing this video a bit later than I usually do. It's like just gone 25 past 11 in the evening. The reason it's late is because I've been out walking today, like hiking. I don't know if you can tell, I'm absolutely shattered. So I don't know if you've ever seen these eyes as tired as this. If you're ever wondering what's wrong with John, okay, I've been out literally up 5 miles, down 5 miles, and all the way around, and I've also got the sun. Look at that, state of that. The sun doesn't come out very often in the UK. It comes out about 5 days a year. The rest of the time it's raining. So when the sun comes out, we all well, it wasn't really out much, but yeah, it was out for a long time. So loads of fresh air and loads of walking and loads of good food. So I'm a bit tired today. So if today's session seems a little bit flat, it's not lack of enthusiasm. It's just I'm knackered. All right, that's what it is. Right, let's crack on. So let's go look at results. Okay, so another sale today, Sunday. So we've had sales Sunday and Saturday, and 2 sales on Friday. Thursday was a no-show or a no sales, but Wednesday 2 sales. So we've had quite a good week at the moment. Currently we're at $108.96 for the week. So that's not too bad. In terms of the numbers, look at the reporting. When it comes up. So I'll go back to the 1st of Jan. So just over 26,000 hops, 524 impressions, 44 new business sales, 8.4 on the conversion rate, which is where we started, and 1451.62 on the gross earnings. In terms of the complete sales and rebuilds, we're up to 75. Now we're still, look at social paid, we're still only at 5 sales. Okay, I thought we might be up to a few more by now, but at the moment that's where we are. So that we're just going to stay with the same process. Remember, if we change products, we've got to keep promoting that product for at least a month. Okay, before we actually make any changes. And social sales rep still going well. We're not promoting it anymore. We're actually promoting social paid, and yet those repeat bills for social sales rep are still coming in. Okay, so that's all good. Right, so My Lead Gen Secret. Does anyone watching this not know what My Lead Gen Secret is? Okay, so if you're not sure, if this is the first time you've viewed my channel, and this is the first video you've seen on My Lead Gen Secret, I know when I first started, when I heard about My Lead Gen Secret, it came through from somebody I'd done business with for many years. But even though I knew who it was, I liked him, I trusted him, and I pretty much do whatever he kind of suggests, or at least I'll go and research. That's what I did. I went on and I put in My Lead Gen Secret review, okay, and I did my own review and my own research. And if you're doing that, okay, welcome. If you want to know everything about My Lead Gen Secret, go and have a look at the video coming up here. It's my day 0 video, and it sort of tells you everything about My Lead Gen Secret and how to get started. But yeah, it solves one of the biggest problems, which is leads, lack of leads. It gives you leads into your account, and then what you've got to do is you've got to go in and you've got to email those leads every single day. Okay, and that's all I do in this case study. And what I promote in this case study is Clickbank products. Okay, and I show you my results and I show you what's happening. Anyway, let's jump on. Okay, so we're going to get a mailing system, and what I've done just before I came on, I went over to, where are we now? Here? Yeah, went over here. Went over to the short ads. Okay, on paying social media jobs on their vendor assets. Okay, and what I'm doing at the moment, I'm looking at things for Instagram. Okay, so I'm looking at different social media sites, things like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and so on, and I'm sending the emails out in blocks. Okay, so I'll talk about Instagram for a week, I'll talk about YouTube for a week, just to give them a bit of a heads up about what's happening. And I think what is happening is because, number one, okay, let's look at the first email. Okay, so the first email, 950, promoting or posting pre-made videos on YouTube. Okay, so even though we're talking about YouTube every day, we're then talking about commenting on YouTube, and then we're talking about posting on YouTube or posting comments. So it's all slightly different. So I don't know if it's worth taking a subject, okay, $8.40 a week commenting on YouTube videos, and then we'll do a week's worth of commenting on video type emails. I think that might work better, because at least people are getting some kind of congruency, which was what we got in the previous product. So I might do that, just to try and improve things. But for now, what I've done, I've come over. What did I come over to? There it is. I've got it highlighted. So that's what I did. This is the basis of the email that I'm sending today, and this is what I came up with. Okay, so it's very similar. Okay, but just break the ice. Okay, real quick, because it's Sunday. Did you know that the most popular category on Instagram is fashion blogging? No, me neither. In fact, I'm going to say that because that was conversational. No, comma, me neither. But fashion bloggers need help uploading content to their accounts, and the rate is $9.50 a week. I'm going to just change that. Bring that down within the template of these numbers. So yeah, it's real simple. It's real quick. It's the weekend. I think people will probably appreciate maybe a quicker. I know people aren't going to open it. Maybe today, it's going to be tomorrow, but that's what we're doing. That's what we're sending. Right, let's go over to myleadgensecret. Let's go and grab all the leads. I'm going to put the yesterday's email in. I need to work on that subject line, because that's the copy and pasted. This is how it was verbatim from Clickbank, so I need to change that. We'll say fashion blogging. There we go, that'll do. Good. I always capitalise the first letter because testing shows more people open it. So $9.50 per week posting fashion blogging photos on Instagram. I'll do. That's long enough. I'll go and change my paragraphs. I've got to tell you right now, I'm absolutely boiling. My head feels like it's on fire. Because obviously in the UK most of the time it's cloudy or raining, and it's April, so the weather was nice, but it wasn't sunny by any real means. But of course the rays come through the clouds, and before you know it, your skin is peeling off. Right, I'm going to copy the link. Bold that. Okay. Don't really think it's at any point putting two links in there, because the email's not really big enough. You put a link in here and you put a link down there. Again, it can look a bit spammy. Okay, so let's go and click it. Let's go and test the link. First thing, $9.50 a week posting photos on Instagram, and hop equals McLaughlin, which is me. So that's all good. Okay, let's go with that. Right, let's go send. Right, let's grab that. What am I doing? No, source code. messed that up now. Right, I'm going to have to go through this very carefully because I'm already making mistakes. Right, so let's go and grab all that. Copy it. Okay, account, log out. So I'm going to cycle through the rest of the accounts. Mailing system. Oh. Right, source. Also, the date's wrong as well. Right, might have it right this time. Send email, and then I'm going to grab source again. Control A and C. Good, that should be done. Alright, see if we got it right this time. Hey. Right, source, click, Control A, V. There we go. We're on account number 3. The date is correct. Let's go and preview it, let's have a quick look. There we go, that's a nice simple email. Send it. Sorry for the lack of verbiage this evening, but I actually feel like my face has shrunk. I feel like I've had a facelift. Almost like I'll wake up looking like Barry Manilow or something. Right, account number 4. Then one more account, and then we're done, and then I can go to bed. Where's 5? There he is. Right, mailing system, yes. Select all leads, yes. Paste that in. Come to source, Control A and V. And I'll click on that, and then change that for 5. Perfect timing. Send. Right, good. Good. We're all done. Let's go have a quick look at, let's go and refresh the page. We'll see if anything's come in yet. No, nothing's come in. But right now, in terms of income where we are, okay, obviously we started from 0. So if we go to March the 14th to April the 14th over that month, $630. So our general monthly income right now, just promoting Clickbank, is $630. Then we've got to take into consideration income coming in from myleadgensecret as well. So this is starting to build up from kind of nothing when we first started on the 1st of January to $630 a month, which isn't too bad. You know, and if you're already working and this is additional income, this can start to make a difference. You know, you can either put that money back into the business and get additional accounts if you want to. I'm at the moment personally, I'm quite happy with 5 accounts. Because I think that's a kind of a nice number, because you get the commissions and you know, you get the bonus leads as well, but you get the commissions with 5. You don't get the commissions with 6 or above, because you only get paid to 5 levels deep, okay, because you've changed your accounts. But you get the bonus leads, okay. But there's all kind of things you can do when you start getting income in, and you've just got to be consistent and do things every day. Anyway, if you're not subscribed to the channel, I think about 65%, I think it is right now, people who watch my videos are not subscribed. So subscribe, hit that. And next week, I keep talking about this affiliate marketing course that I'm going to be releasing, and that is 80% complete now. I had a few weeks of trying to get over some health issues, and tomorrow, if I wake up and I have a face, I'll be getting on with it tomorrow. There's going to be all kinds of information on there. There's going to be a workbook. There's going to be downloadable resources, and really I should be selling this, but you know, everybody at the moment seems to be getting on the bandwagon of just putting courses together and just selling them. Okay, and a lot of those courses are just, you know, very scantily clad, if you like, okay, because they haven't really got a lot of substance in them. Whereas I'm the opposite. I put everything you need to know, the actual framework of how to build a business, and you know, myleadgensecret is one part of a marketing mix that I use. Okay, so you're gonna love this. So if you're not subscribed, get subscribed right now, and you'll get instant notification of when all those videos go live. They're going to be on my YouTube channel. It's going to be all free, and usually I would charge, you know, a mid to low high ticket type of price point with something like this. But you know, I make my money by doing affiliate marketing, not selling courses, or not with this particular project. I do sell courses as well, okay, but not with this particular project. It's going to be free. So subscribe, hit the thumbs up button. What do they call it? A like. That's right. Hit the like button. And if you've got any questions, drop me a comment, and I'll see you on the session tomorrow. Bye for now.